Guys, I'm so happy this afternoon. What we have here is what my sister bought for me today. Everything inside belongs to me. Okay? So we are just coming back from the market. I did not go because the market was so crowded, so I was not able to record it in the market. So let's unbox together, guys, what my sister bought for me. This is my sister, the mother that I never had when I was little. I did not experience the love of a mother because my mother passed early when I was 2 years. So I didn't experience the love of a mother. But this my sister occupied the space. I'm telling you, I'm always talking about this my sister. As I'm saying it, that is how it is in my heart. I'm telling you guys. My sister is a blessing to me. Look at what she bought for me. Even if someone was even shouting, no, leave it so. Don't buy it, it's too much. The price is much. She said, leave, go, let me buy it like that. Oh, so guys, everything here belongs to Beatrice. So let's open it, guys. See, my daughter is sleeping. Let me go and put my daughter. Fuck, come on. Unbox. Let's unbox. Back. Oh my god. Lots of stuff. See? Quality things. If you see the way I was shouting for the price. Guys, can you see it? Very quality. And one thing about my sister, she knows fashion very well, more than me. See, guys. Oh my god. This one I'll just rock it this way. Don't worry, guys. I'll rock it. I'm going to show you guys. So then this one's 24,000. The both of these two. Just this stuff. If it's me, I will not buy. Because how would you do it? You know now, I was even telling my sister that time. I was telling her, please, price it very well. If you think it's costly, leave it, let's go and buy another one that is cheaper. So guys, see guys. When I rock it, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. They're just unboxing now. So see? Nice, right? Oh my gosh! Okay, this one and this one is the same, but it's different colors. Oh, very nice. How the clothes is very good. Clothes quality, but it's costly. It's costly, but it's quality. It's worth it too. I had no, it's worth it very, very well. This is you buy 9,000. See guys. Is this clothes I'm doing about? See me when I rock it. You people will not recognize me again. You may not. Oh my god, this one is short. Wow. But see where God they find too. Yeah. I followed my fashionista to the market today. So what do you expect? Everything's supposed to be beautiful. Okay? Because this my sister have high for good things. If I'm gonna go and buy it, I'll buy a bag, come back. I'm telling you. See guys. I'm going to rock it. Everything here. Just today shopping. Should I get it? Slippers. I am now wearing slippers of how much? 15K. 15K slippers. No, I'm no longer wearing 4,000 slippers. But when you buy this nice, 15K when you just buy 2 slippers or 3 slippers. Now you just buy 1 slippers. If I need go this market, I don't want to spend this kind of thing so I buy clothes. Why? Now I make a switch there. What you buy now? Quality? Yes. Then you
command respect.
Yes.
Because she's I'm mature
fat.
clothes.
You know I'm fat and I need to wear. So guys, all these things is what my sister wants to make for me today. Even the apron. So did I look like someone that doesn't have mother? My sweetie, can let me kiss you? If you know you don't know anything about fashion, like me, I have a fashionista as a sister. Okay, chickly money. She will not charge you much. She will help you and go shopping. Buy things for you, you will like it. So guys, how am I looking? I'm looking tuck away.
You go for gym.
I'm ready for gym.
No, you go for gym. You go to start going to gym.
I'll start going to gym.
You start going to gym.
Let me just
Lose
wear my
weight.
clothes first. Okay.
But mommy.
See? How they carry like this?
You look good, my sister. Beg nothing to
Very
you.
nice, right?
Very nice.
Let's
Just
try
like your
now.
stomach now won't spoil a shower.
Okay. So guys, that goes with this trouser. Mister. So guys, my gosh. Oh, hey. For the ones that she did the other time. I do not know that more is coming. So guys, check me out, guys. Oh, who am I? Who am I? My body that sweets me. Body that sweets me. Hey, baby, uncle, carry your belly inside, baby, uncle. Hey. This one is fry. Check me out, guys. What do you think? Yeah, snap, my love. Okay. Snap this one.